For this Amata, I won't keep person. Make I rub well because now my in-laws as they go.
So, when I dey here, you dey cream body. Go take.
Hello, babe. You dey house? Okay. My father-in-law uncle. He dey house. I dey come your place now. In fact, I even carry some Christmas package come for am.
What?
So I say, hey! I go show you your place. So, good afternoon, sir.
What do we have this?
So I'm asking for favor, sir. Favor.
How can I help you?
She's my fiancée. I just came to pay her a visit. She and her parents. I want to see her parents.
Not be juju be
Just no go do bricklayer today.
No, sir.
You look mirror before you reach here.
In fact, I brought this gift for her parents and her, sir.
Wow, I'm a father.
You're my in-law, sir.
Which in-law?
But, you are famous dad, sir.
I know. Where are you coming from? You're looking like this, like.
Well, I'm looking.
Can't stand up, place. I slap you one ton. Me self, build a whole self. I know why it reach like you.
Sir, I don't.
Which work are you doing? No.
I don't. Ow.
I don't get vaccine for us now. Because I'm a town, can't follow you.
I pay, sir.
Don't go back.
Yeah!
I carry bag, better give my Christmas gift. I carry bag, I go check for that. Where you go? Go, stay very well. Mumu. When I